Good morning, YouTube and Facebook. It's Jeffrey Howells Carpet Cleaning here, and we are at the next job of the day. We are doing greatest residential carpet cleaning in Happy Valley. We're actually on the other side of the valley today, whole 2 miles away. I love this local stuff. And again, let me reiterate, our title of our video is going to be greatest residential carpet cleaning, and to go through and list some of the synonyms that we're going to be using in the video. We got best residential carpet cleaning, finest residential carpet cleaning, first rate residential carpet cleaning, leading residential carpet cleaning, number one residential carpet cleaning, outstanding residential carpet cleaning, and premium residential carpet cleaning. So I just want to make sure that I get a good use of all of those synonyms there in the videos as we're starting out here. Again, we are doing our 3-phase carpet cleaning. Phase 1 being the dry debris removal. We're going to go through and give everything the most thorough vacuum that we possibly can, just to get all that dry abrasive debris accumulation up and out of the carpeting. Secondly, we're going to put down our pre-spray solution. Our sprayer is indoors, or is inside already, so it's not out here. I can't show you a picture of that. But that pre-spray is going to go down. There is an animal in here, so we're going to be using a lot of peroxide just to deal with urine and that sort of stuff that's in the carpeting. And then we're going to agitate it using the CRB, mechanical agitation. And what that's also going to do is get animal hair and stuff like that groomed out of the carpeting as well. And that is phase 2. And then moving on to phase 3 is our powerful truck-mounted steam cleaning that we are going to do. But we also threw some seafoam into our gas tank so that we can get some of those carbon emissions chewed up and loosened out from our equipment, so hopefully we'll see a little bit of a performance increase. And then of course we got this grande room style carpet. It's a nap setter. We're going to go back through and erase all of our marks on the carpeting when we're done, because we are a premium carpet cleaning company. We do awesome quality carpet cleaning at good affordable and reasonable rates. Okay, phase 1 is complete, and we probably pulled about 20% of a bag of debris, so there wasn't a whole lot in there. We cleaned 3 bedrooms, a hallway, and a front room area, so it wasn't a whole lot of carpeting. And because we clean this place probably quarterly anyways, there isn't a whole lot of debris accumulation that occurs anyways, except for the dog was probably in the house bringing debris and things in on his paws, and I'm pretty sure the homeowner probably isn't wearing their shoes in the house a whole lot either. So it was a very good clean. So what that phase 1 allows me to do, not only does it get all that dry debris out of the carpeting, it allows me to examine the carpets very well. And there is a bit of dog urine that's in the carpeting, so we're going to make sure that we take care of that, get that all cleaned up. And additionally, we are able to monitor how much debris is actually in the carpeting, so we know how the depth of the cleaning that we're going to need. Again, we're going to go ahead and move on to phase 2, application of pre-spray. And we're also going to be using mechanical agitation via CRB just to pull up any lint and dog hair that might be in the carpeting as well. So it's going to be an extremely thorough job, and it's going to look absolutely beautiful. Alright, we're moving into phase 2, and if you're like me, I basically make up my pre-spray on site. So working downstairs is always going to be less debris downstairs than upstairs, because the debris tends to follow the entryways of the home. So we went ahead and we made up our chemistry for upstairs to be a little bit hotter than downstairs. So that's how we go about doing that. And just a little FYI as a tip here, if you're using like a multi-sprayer that has plastic tubes or whatever, what you can do to make them a bit more pliable when you start up is that if you make up some warm hot water in there, you can go ahead and just turn your machine on and just recycle some of that water, you know, your solution, get it going through that hose, and what it'll do is it'll just soften everything up and make it all nice and pliable inside, so that you're not having to deal with rigid hoses. Because a lot of times what happens is that this hose here inside gets rigid and it's kind of curled in some direction, so you prematurely run out of solution because the hose isn't reaching to the bottom of the tank like it should be. But anyways, that's a little FYI. Hope that you might be able to use that. If not, oh well, but I stuck it into the video anyways. Hey, finally, moving on to phase 3. We got our hoses running in, truck fired up. Water is up to about 230 degrees or so. And we are running some sea foam through our machine to try to burn up those carbon emissions that are sticking all over the place. In the exhaust pipe and where else. Engine, motor. But anyways, going to go ahead and begin a steam out here, and it seemed like I had something in mind that I was going to say, but when I remember it, I will bring it back up.